Hey guys, welcome to our channel K-Hub, and in today's video we are going to see how we are going to install Eclipse. So before installing Eclipse we need to download the exe file. So just type Eclipse download in your browser and click enter. So you would get several links, but you have to select the first link, and when you click on the first link then it will show an interface like this. So there you can see there are several contents, and you can see here a download button of 64-bit. So here what does it mean? If your device have a 64-bit operating system, then you need to download this 64-bit. And don't worry for the people who have 32-bit, so you can go inside this option download packages, and there you can find the Eclipse with 32-bit too. So now let's click on this download button, and again it will direct to another interface, and then again you have to click the download button. So now it will ask for a folder where you need to save it. So I have already saved the exe file inside my folder, so I'm just going to close it. So if you want to save, you click on save, and now press on Eclipse exe file. So first it will ask for what is the specific thing we need to install. So you can see that there are many options. So for me, I need Eclipse IDE for Java developers. That means I'm going to do Java development. So I click on that, and you can see that we have to select the browse and select the location where we need to put this JRE file, but I can give this default path, so I'm satisfied with the default path. And here you can see there is two checkboxes. So if you want to create a start menu entry, you can click here, and if you want to create a desktop shortcut, you can again click here and press on install. So in the middle of the installation, that it will ask to accept the license of their program. So you need to read this and press on the accept button. So it takes some time to install the software. Okay, now we have successfully completed the installation. So now press on launch, and there is your Eclipse IDE. So if you like our video, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get more updates, and please like, comment and share it with your friends. Thank you.